This is one of those gaming desktops that doesn't try to shout for attention with over-the-top claims or exaggerated branding. Instead, it focuses on something a lot more important: delivering consistent, real-world performance in a setup that feels balanced from top to bottom. At the center of the system is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor. It's a 6-core, 12-thread CPU that's built for steady performance rather than unnecessary complexity. In everyday use, that translates into fast boot times, smooth application switching, and reliable performance when you're running games. Alongside background tasks, it doesn't feel strained under normal gaming workloads, and that stability is what makes it practical for long sessions. Paired with the processor is a Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card, which is the component that really defines the gaming experience here. This GPU is capable of handling modern titles with strong frame rates at 1080p and 1440p resolutions, which is where most gamers are currently playing. Esports titles run with ease, while more demanding AAA games maintain solid performance with high visual settings. The important part isn't just raw power, but how consistently that power is delivered across different game environments. Together, the CPU and GPU form a pairing that feels intentionally balanced. There's no obvious mismatch, which helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures that performance stays predictable across different workloads. That kind of balance matters more than people often realize, especially when the goal is smooth gaming rather than benchmark chasing. Memory is handled by 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which remains a strong standard for modern gaming systems. It allows games to run comfortably while leaving room for background applications like browsers, chat tools, or streaming software. The system doesn't constantly hit memory limits during normal use, which helps maintain responsiveness even when multitasking. Storage comes in the form of a 1 TB PCIe SSD. This is one of the most noticeable upgrades in everyday usage. System startup is quick, games load without long delays, and file transfers feel immediate compared to older storage solutions. Having a full terabyte also means there's enough space for a solid library of games without constantly managing storage space. The overall design of the system prioritizes airflow and thermal stability. Instead of focusing purely on aesthetics, the internal layout is structured to support consistent cooling. This helps maintain performance over extended gaming sessions, where heat buildup can otherwise lead to reduced efficiency. Stable temperatures directly contribute to stable frame rates, especially during long play sessions. Power is supplied through a 750W unit, which provides enough headroom for the current configuration while also allowing room for future upgrades. Having that extra capacity is useful if components are upgraded later, since it reduces the need to replace the power supply at the same time. Connectivity is practical and covers the essentials. Wireless networking, Bluetooth support, Ethernet via RJ45, and HDMI output are all included. It's not overloaded with unnecessary extras, but it provides everything needed for a standard gaming and productivity setup. The inclusion of Windows 11 Home pre-installed also means the system is ready to use right out of the box, reducing setup time significantly. In actual use, the experience is defined by consistency. Games load quickly, frame pacing remains stable, and general system navigation feels responsive. Whether it's gaming, browsing, or light content creation, the system maintains a steady level of performance without unpredictable slowdowns. This is not positioned as an extreme enthusiast machine, nor is it trying to compete in the ultra-high-end 4K performance segment. Instead, it focuses on the more practical side of gaming performance, where smooth gameplay, fast load times, and stable multitasking matter more than pushing hardware to its absolute limits. That makes it particularly suitable for users who want a ready-built gaming solution without the complexity of assembling components individually. Everything arrives configured and tested, which removes a significant amount of guesswork from the setup process. Another important aspect is upgrade flexibility. The system is built on a platform that allows future improvements, whether that's increasing memory, adding more storage, or upgrading core components later on. That kind of flexibility helps extend the usable lifespan of the system, making it a more long-term investment rather than a short-term solution. Overall, this desktop sits in a very practical performance category. It delivers strong gaming capability, fast storage responsiveness, and stable day-to-day operation without unnecessary complexity. It's designed for users who want a straightforward gaming experience that just works, without constant tweaking or troubleshooting. For anyone looking to step into PC gaming or upgrade from an older system, this configuration offers a balanced mix of performance and usability that aligns well with modern gaming demands. This gaming desktop is built around the idea of balance rather than extremes. Every component is chosen to support a smooth and stable experience across gaming, multitasking, and general use. The processor ensures reliable performance under load, while the graphics solution handles modern gaming demands with strong visual output and consistent frame delivery. Together, they create a system that feels responsive in both competitive and story-driven titles. Memory capacity supports modern usage patterns, allowing multiple applications to run without noticeable slowdown. Storage speed enhances everything from boot times to game loading, contributing to a more fluid overall experience. Thermal design and power delivery focus on maintaining stability over time, ensuring that performance does not fluctuate during extended use. Connectivity options are practical and cover all essential needs for gaming and everyday computing. This setup is aimed at users who want a dependable gaming system that performs well out of the box and remains flexible for future upgrades.